Hi everyone, welcome back to Drupal Academy. In today's video, we will learn how to create and apply a custom image style in a Drupal. Whether you are building a blog or a business site, image styles will help you keep your media looking sharp and consistent. Image style in a Drupal let you define how uploaded image should be displayed. You can automatically crop, scale or resize image to match different design needs without altering the original file. Here on the screen you can see I have uploaded the image as it is and it is displaying quite large. But to keep our website consistent with the images, we need to resize it in a particular dimensions. For that we need to create the image style. In Drupal, to create the new image style, first log in with the admin credentials and go to the dashboard, then navigate to the configuration, media and click on this image styles. So it will open this image style and here you can see there are some predefined image styles, like this is large, its width will be the 480 into 480. Then next is a medium, after that this thumbnail. Now we will create our custom image style. For that, click on this add image style button. Give your image style a name, something descriptive like blog thumbnail, and with that also add the dimensions so that it will be easy to understand the image size. So I will add here blog thumbnail and I want to size of that blog thumbnail is width will be 300 and height will be the 200. Click on this create new style button. After that scroll down and add the effect. So in the effects you can see there are different types of effects like convert, crop, desaturate, resize, rotate, scale and crop. We will select the scale and click on add. On this page we need to add the width in the pixels and the height. So we will add the width as a 300 and height as a 200 and click on this add effect button to save the custom image style. Now that our style is ready, let's apply it. For that, go to the structure, content types, and in the article content type there is one image. I will apply this style to that image. For that, click on this manage fields and click on the manage display. Now apply this image style to this image field. For that, click on this setting icon. From this image style drop down, select the image style. So this is our custom image style. We will select this one, blog thumbnail, and in the link image to set it as a nothing and click on this update button and again scroll down and save the changes. Now we have applied this image style to the article content types image field. So this node is created inside the article content type and this image is loading without adding any image style. Now after refreshing this page, this image style will be applied to this node. So I will refresh this page. After refreshing, you can see the new image style is applied to this image and this will be applied to the all nodes those are created in the article content type. And that's it from this tutorial. You have successfully created and applied a custom image style in a Drupal. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Drupal tips. And let me know in the comments if you have any query or suggestions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.